Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. So in this video, we are just sharing with you how to bring your lovely backyard, small or big, how to bring it to life, how to give it a makeover, so that way you can enjoy your beautiful summer in a beautiful, freshly made backyard slash patio. So we had this customer who gave us this job. They had their patio completely covered with mulch, and she didn't want that. She wanted to have some flowers, she wanted to have some rocks and some pebbles, and we accepted the job and we went ahead and completed it for her. Um, she had about 2 cubic yards of mulch in this small little area, so she was really tired of it. She couldn't stand it anymore. So now we're just about to, you know, do some landscaping and give her some beautiful makeover with this backyard slash patio that she has. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you get inspired to go ahead and make it DIY or even do some work for your customers. Yeah, guys, so here it's pretty messed up, right? Pretty rugged, pretty ugly. But it's gonna come to life. We're gonna pull it up together. Okay, so here we gave her some Bermuda grass. It's a small area, and we thought it would be the best option to go with the Bermuda grass. So that's what we are putting down right now. We got sod Bermuda grass, and she really likes it. Here on that wing there, we put the pebbles, and then we made a garden bed for her in front of the concrete slab. Yeah, so here he is. He's laying down the Bermuda grass, and we divided the place exactly like she wanted it. So we're gonna go ahead and respectively put the Bermuda grass on those areas that we had promised to put them in. So that's what's happening. It's starting to come to life. It's looking beautiful. Um, yeah, look at that. And then she wanted a path walk. Yeah, so we did that. And then yeah, this is it, guys. It took 12 hours to do this project. So things do take time, the gravel, to break the flagstones, all that stuff, and to, you know, some of the Bermuda grass had to be cut down to plant the flowers. So all that took a lot of time. So in total, it took us 12 hours. We did it all in one day. Minus the time that we ran around to find the materials. So yeah, guys, here are the final pictures. What do you guys think? It's beautiful, right? Um, it looks nice. I like it. Personally, I love it, and the customer is very pleased with it. Here I'm moving my camera like crazy. But it turned out really cute. It's beautiful, it's attractive, and she can really enjoy this project, which she spent quite a little bit of money on. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and give it a thumbs up.